Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video, we will look at the Thai consonant Bhai Mai. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. The Thai consonant Bhai Mai sounds like a B at the beginning and end of a syllable. Bo. The accompanying word Bhai Mai means leaf. Bhai Mai is a middle class consonant and a stop final consonant. This is how Bhai Mai is written. Important here is to start by drawing the circle at the top left corner of the letter in the clockwise direction. If you then follow the illustration here, you should not have any problems writing the letter Bhai Mai from beginning to the end without raising the pen. Thai consonants that may look like Bhai Mai are Paw Pla, No Nu, and Mo Ma. Paw Pla looks very much like Bhai Mai, but unlike Bhai Mai, the vertical line to the right of Paw Pla ends at a point significantly higher than the circle at the top left corner of the letter. No Nu has a second circle at the bottom right corner of the letter, which Bhai Mai does not have. Mo Ma also has a second circle, but at the bottom left corner of the letter. You will find the consonant Bhai Mai in the word ban in the middle tone, meaning to blossom. There is also ab, meaning to bathe, in the low tone. Also in the low tone is the word kap, meaning to drive. In upcoming videos, we will discuss the tone rules that determine the tones of these words. That is the consonant Bhai Mai, which we can summarize as a consonant that sounds like a B at the beginning and end of a syllable. It is a middle class consonant and a stop final consonant. The accompanying word Bhai Mai means leaf. Bhai Mai is written like this and bears some resemblance to these letters of the Thai alphabet. Words containing Bhai Mai are ban in the middle tone, meaning to blossom, ab in the low tone, meaning to bathe, and kap in the low tone, meaning to drive. I hope this video was helpful. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.